Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your remaining month of December reading. Start from the 22nd through the 31st of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for the remaining month time. I've already pulled out the cards, which includes tarot, oracle cards and color cards as well. I will be adding charms as well as we move towards the end of the reading. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are matching your situation, resonating with your situation, and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is coming up for you guys for the remaining month time starting 22nd through the 31st of December. Let's begin with tarot first. Five of Pentacles, feeling left alone, feeling tired, feeling upset, feeling emotionally unfulfilled. Not just that, but you might be facing some sort of issues when it comes to your finances as well. There are certain things which are basically make you gonna feel like um, things are going against what you desire. You would feel like as if I feel like you are contemplating on some decisions of your life and feeling lost, bad around it. Um, Unhappy, maybe choosing the wrong people, wrong situations, wrong choices that you made in the recent past. But yes, I do see you emotionally very unfulfilled. Let's see more cards here. Justice. Ooh, you're waiting for some sort of justice to come your way. You feel like you deserve better than what you are getting right now. The energies could be completely reversed for some of you as well. Maybe it's your person's energy who are feeling left alone right now and they really seek justice coming from you. But maybe it's you who is seeking justice from your person right now. You feel tired, exhausted, and then you don't have love. You don't feel emotionally fulfilled at all. Maybe you have been working all day long, all your life, and then you don't have anybody to love, to care, to give you the care and love. And that's something which makes you feel like maybe you need to do justice to yourself now. Maybe you have been doing all this life that you took care of others, and now when you need the care, when you need the love, nobody is giving you the love and care. So that could be the reason why you are feeling sad and upset as well. And you're going to be contemplating on the decisions again because of the same reason, because you're feeling unfulfilled. You feel like you have given up all and everything to bring happiness and peace in other people's life, and then you are getting nothing. It can be a relationship situation as well. Maybe you're feeling like it has been like one-sided all this time, and you really need that love back, be that coming from the same person or be that coming from a different person as well. You really want to put an end to the situation where you're feeling tired, left alone, unhappy, hurt. Is I feel like you're very hurt. I don't know why, but your energies are very low as you move into the remaining month time. um, you really want this phase to end. You really want something new to begin. You really want something which is going to bring you happiness, something that makes you feel good, something that adds to your add life to your life, because you feel so dead and tired. It's like a very low energy is what I'm picking up that you would be having in the remaining month time. You really need to break free from this low vibe that you are in right now, because you would be thinking all the negative thoughts that you can even think of. Like it's like your mind would be clouded with lots of them, negative thoughts, negative emotions, negative feelings, unfulfilled situations which make you feel even worse. You would be feeling depressed, you would be feeling anxiety, you would be feeling sad, pain, waiting for somebody to come and give you the justice in this situation. When it comes to the justice, you cannot expect justice to come from an outside. You have to do the justice to yourself in the situation. Especially, it's like I feel like this phase that you're going through is going to bring you a lot more clarity on what do you want, because I feel like the things that you invested your time and energy into is not getting you any fruit of your labor right now. So it's going to be like for majority of you, you have been investing in wrong relationships, wrong people. It's time for you to understand that and make amends for that. Value yourself, give respect to yourself, know that you are worthy of love and care and all those things that you desire, and then only when you do justice to yourself by pulling yourself away from something or anything that is making you feel this bad, you are going to start getting feeling better and better and better. I do see it's going to be a very transformative period for you as well, because it's gonna help you understand a few things that you were not ready to accept or understand earlier. So I do see that you will be, for majority of you, you might be getting the justice in this situation by having a clarity that there is something that you need to let go of to have what you want. You really have to stop overfeeding people with your love, attention, care to get the love that you desire. So it's like, that kind of a transformative energy that you will be having around you. You are hitting the rock bottom is what I'm picking up as you starting, or the remaining month time. 22nd is going to be the maybe the lowest vibe energy for you, and as you move forward you are going to start gaining the momentum back. You will be start feeling better again. Why? Because you will be having the clarity. Okay, fine, I need to break free from this. Only I can help myself, nobody else can. So I feel like it's going to be that kind of a transformative period for you, where you're going to understand and have the clarity what are the things that you need to, you know stop doing to do justice to yourself, and then enter into a new phase of your life where you allow people in your life to bring happiness only, not to make you feel left alone or bad or treat you, the wrong way. So I feel like it's going to be that kind of a time for you for the remaining month time, trying to figure out what are the things that you're really doing wrong here, so you could make them, so you could, bring the change in yourself to attract what you desire and to have what you desire. So it's more of you doing justice to yourself, and so you could have the life that you wish for without feeling left alone, without feeling, that you have to put some effort into it. I do see you giving up on a few things, trying to understand it the better way. Let's see. I feel like, for some of you, you are not happy with yourself because you are unable to do justice to a person in your life as well. You really want to do justice to them, but at the same time, you feel yourself as a stuck person who is stuck in some financial situations and they cannot do the justice to the love of their life. And you really want to break free from it. You're waiting for the right time so you could do the things that you want to do. Yes, you are. You really want to run away from this situation and get to be with your person, which you are feeling you cannot do. Oh my God. This could be your energy, and the other energy that I talked about could be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. But you yourself is stuck, is what I'm picking up. Yes, you really want to break free from it. You really want to, have a new beginning with this one person that you love, that you care, but you find yourself to be stuck in a situation. Oh my God, Leos, you are feeling bad. You really want to change everything about the situation. So you could have a life that you desire with this one person. You want to bring balance in this situation, balance in this connection, but you find yourself stuck. You really want to communicate to this person as much as you want, but you are unable to do so as well. Let's see, will you be able to break free from whatever it is that's holding you back right now? Will you be able to break free from it? Because this is something which you don't like. You will, but it's going to take time. It's not going to happen in a day or two, or maybe it's not going to happen in this, remaining month time, but you do want to. You will be thinking about it. You will be working towards it, but at the same time, it's going to take some time. It's not going to happen, maybe in this month time, but maybe as you enter into the next year, next month, maybe you are going to feel, strong enough to go for that, to break free from this, limitation, whatever it is that's keeping you stuck right now and not letting you get into where you want to get with this one person. Let's see which two colors could be lucky for you. Gold attract abundance. Number 21. For some of you, you are really working towards getting some gold in your life, like, building your abundance, stability, and all those things. For others of you, you might be struggling a lot, and maybe the person that you are dealing with could be the one who is very rich. And so maybe you feel like, you cannot pursue this person, this relationship, because they are so, um, abundant in each and every way, and you don't feel that you could be the right match for them. Green, revitalize your nervous system. Number 31. It's time for you to kind of revitalize your nervous system. I feel like, you're gonna be taking a lot of stress around this situation with this person. You really want everything to work magically, and then it's making you feel like stuck. Now you can always break free from anything which is basically making you feel this bad, by using meditation, by using visualization, by using affirmations as well. Use that. And if it's the energy of the person that you are dealing with, you can still use the meditation, affirmations, and the other techniques as well, to help this person break free from whatever it is that is keeping them stuck right now. Let's see what the other cards has to add to the reading. Ask for help. What do you really need? Be willing to accept support. It's very important. If you don't know how to break free from this energy which is keeping the connection stuck and stagnant, it's time for you to seek guidance. If you don't know how to deal with it, seek guidance. You will be guided through. I am a spirit having a human experience, and I am here to get closer to love. The more you meditate, the more you contemplate, the more you will spend some time in isolation, try to figure out the answers. What can you do? How can you deal with this situation the better way? The more are the chances that you will be guided through towards the person of your life to deal with this situation a better way as well. Let's see more cards here. Moon cycles. Notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestation, and capitalize upon these cycles. I feel like it's going to be very important. You manifesting this person and whatever you desire with this person is very much influenced by the moon cycles. New moon, full moon could be the best thing to start your intention and manifestation during the new moon time. So by the time you reach the full moon time, you will have it already in your life. Use the manifestation techniques. It's going to help you a lot to break free this person. Plus, if you have your own mental blocks, and if it is your energy, then it's going to help you to break free from that energy which is keeping you stuck in stagnant work situation, family situation, whatever it is, whatever mental block, physical block, emotional block that you have, it will help you to break free from this so you could pursue what you want. Dream and journey. The journey to your dream or your goal is not going to be easy, and it has never been easy for you, trust me, but you will get there. Just don't sway away from your focus towards what you want to have achieve in your life. Your commitment is being tested. Yeah, I feel like it's going to be a tough time for you to deal with, but at the same time, if you stay focused, if you stay motivated, you are going to get whatever you want. So stay committed to whatever it is that you desire in your life. A time to give rather than take. I feel like it's time for you to take some rest, take some time off, and try to contemplate on the things that you want. Break free from any mental blockages that you might have imposed on yourself around this situation with a specific someone. Maybe for some of you, you have basically overthought about certain things happening in this connection, and that's why you are having mental blocks around it. So yeah, let's take the charms before I forget it, because I forgot to take it for the sign of Virgo. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys. So we do have lots of alphabets here. For some of you, maybe you are dealing with a lot of people right now. It doesn't have to be in your love life. It could be in your work life situation or responsibilities that you have on your shoulder as well. Or it could be about your goals that you have to achieve before you could come together, or have or do, or whatever it is that you want to pursue right now. We do have E, S, K, and X. It could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with as well. You really want to there is somebody who rules your heart for sure, and you really want to pursue that one person, and you cannot take this person out of your mind for sure. You might be seeing some doves or any bird which is white. That's going to be the sign that you are on the right path. So don't give or lose hope. Try to dream big. Try to try to see the bigger picture rather than staying stuck on this, whatever that is happening right now. Just look at the bigger picture and keep your focus on that one thing that you want to achieve. Forget what is going to happen in the process and all those things. Just stay focused and you will get what you want. If you do justice to yourself, if you stay committed to your whatever desire or wish that you have, you will get there. You will definitely get there. All you need to do is stay focused on whatever it is that you're wanting in your life. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming for you for the remaining month time. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.